Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the GripMate, and we're gonna go ahead and try this thing on our phone. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is the GripMate there. It looks like it comes with the Magsafe magnet connector, but it also comes with some of the rings. So if you have something that doesn't have it already, you can do that. My phone, although it's broken on the back, this one has it already. And look at that, so it lines, wow, that's strong. And it lines up with the magnets on there and holds it in place. Wow, that's cool. Look at that, I can use it. I've always had to like put those sticker things on, so I had to hold it. So I thought, okay, let me give this thing a try. This thing's great. Look at that, and so it goes like that, and I can just have it this way. Oop, my dog is over there doing it. But how cool is that? So now I can just control my phone by putting my finger in there. I could put any of my fingers, I could change the tightness of it, I guess, by just choosing which where. But how cool, now I don't have to worry about dropping it. That is, and man, that's got some power. That's cool, you can see there, it's got where the stuff all goes. I guess you could tighten these screws maybe and stick it in a certain place, but man, that is cool. So if you need that, you got that there. And then if you want to just put it down this way, we can use a stand like this. So I could go ahead and, let me see, do I have something? Here, I have a box. I could go ahead and use it as a stand to hold up my phone that way, whatever I want. So it's got that, or I could hang it from something, or if I'm doing some video shoots, something I might even want to put this on a nail on the wall or something like that to film myself. That's cool. So lots of different options with that and with this and everything. So this is cool. I'm going to say this GripMate is good. And I don't know why it has all these things here. Let's see, paste the metal ring on the back of the phone or phone case. Oh, so I guess you can, if you wanted to put the ring on there, you could paste it on there and it gives you the alignment tool to align it wherever you want it to go. But I mean, on an iPhone, it's got it already. So there we go. Man, that's tough to get off. So really cool, thumbs up, very nice. If you need a little phone stand, man, this one here just goes right on, stays on. So totally good, thumbs up.